How to change your subconscious mind. What if I told you? Your life right now is not controlled by your goals, not your dreams, not your effort, but by a silent program running in the background, your subconscious mind. And until you change that program, nothing in your life will change. There was a boy named Jordan, born in a small neighborhood, surrounded by people who believed life was fixed, that success was for others, and struggle was normal. Jordan grew up hearing things like, money is hard to get. People like us don't succeed. Dreams are dangerous. He didn't know it, but every word became a seed planted deep in his subconscious. And as he grew older, he kept failing. Not because he was lazy, not because he lacked talent, but because his subconscious mind whispered, "You're not good enough. You can't do this. This is impossible." One day, after another failure, Jordan sat alone on a rooftop at sunset, tears in his eyes, frustrated, broken, and he asked himself the question that changed everything. What if the problem isn't my life? What if the problem is my mind? That night, he made a decision. A small one, but powerful enough to break generations of limitation. Jordan decided to rewrite his subconscious programming. Every morning, he stood in front of the mirror and repeated, "I deserve success. I am capable. My mind works for me, not against me. I am rewriting my story." At first, it felt fake. It felt uncomfortable. It felt like lying. But he kept going. Every day, he fed his subconscious new thoughts, new beliefs, new possibilities. He avoided negative people. He listened to motivational speeches. He filled his room with vision boards. He read books that scared him. He acted as if he had already succeeded. Slowly, his actions changed. His confidence grew, and opportunities began to appear. Within a year, Jordan wasn't the same person. He started a business. He built skills. He made money. And he returned to that rooftop, but this time, not to cry, but to say thank you, because he finally realized the truth. When you change your subconscious mind, your whole world shifts. Your subconscious mind controls your habits, your fears, your confidence, your success, your entire identity. And the only way to change your life is to change what you believe deep inside. Here's how. Keycap 1. Repeat positive thoughts daily. Keycap 2. Remove negative influences. Keycap 3. Visualize your future clearly. Keycap 4. Speak success into your life. Keycap 5. Take small actions every day. Keycap 6. Rewire your self-image. Keycap 7. Feed your mind inspiration. Keycap 8. Stop saying, "I can't." Keycap 9. Act like the person you want to become. Keycap 10. Trust the process, even when results are slow. Your subconscious becomes whatever you repeat, whatever you feel, whatever you believe. You are not stuck. Your mind is just programmed for who you used to be, not who you can become. Rewrite the code. Reprogram the system. Change the story. If you're ready to reprogram your subconscious mind, if you're ready to break the limits that have held you down, then subscribe, join Mind Empire, and start becoming the strongest version of yourself. Your new life starts when your new mind begins.